Need a Roblox refund in 2026? Follow this official step-by-step guide.
Refunds cover recent purchases, accidental charges, or unauthorized transactions. Sign into Roblox.com, open your profile, then go to Settings and Billing. Open Purchase History, find the item, copy the transaction ID. Go to Help and Support and select Contact Us. Pick Billing and Payments, paste the ID, describe the issue, and submit. You'll receive an email confirming we received your request within 24 hours. Roblox reviews cases. Typical response time is 3 to 7 business days. If approved, Robux or a payment reversal will be issued to your original method. If denied, provide screenshots, receipts, and a clear explanation to appeal. Note exceptions: limited items, third-party sales, and virtual items bought outside Roblox often cannot be refunded. See timestamps, screenshots, and links in the description. Subscribe for more quick updates.